Hello. Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to learn that which is the best way to learn Python for machine language. First of all, let me tell you guys that learning a new programming language can be very challenging, especially if you are transitioning from a language like R or Matlab. So if you want to learn Python for machine learning, then obviously this video will guide you throughout the best resources and tools that will help you to learn Python fast and easy way. It's a fact that machine learning is not a single topic, it's a blend of many related concepts and algorithms. And the way you learn these concepts, it matters a lot. To choose the best way to learn Python for machine learning or machine language, it's important to understand your background and your goals. Don't you worry if you don't know even about these things, because in this video I'm going to answer all of your questions. So I have actually picked 6 websites, best websites for beginners to professionals. Okay. So it's basically I have picked 6 websites for beginners to become a professionals, and we will discuss these websites one by one. So let me quickly give you the recap. First, let me tell you the name of this website. The first one is Udemy. And the second one is Coursera. Third one is Learn Python in Hard Ways. Fourth one is Code Academy. Fifth one is the Hikers Guide to Python. 6. Last but not the least, DataCamp. Okay, so I will add the links of these websites of Python courses in my description below. And here, as you can see, the first one is Coursera, second one is Udemy, third is Learn the Python in the Hard Way, fourth one Code Academy, fifth one is the Hikers Guide to Python, 6. DataCamp. The first and most important website for learning Python is Python for Coursera. Okay, so Coursera provide a lot of courses in other languages, in learning for other languages and other subjects as well. So for Python as well. So there is a course Python for Data Science, AI and Development offered by IBM, and it is the instructor of this course is basically Joseph. Okay, and if you just see about this person, then you can just click here and see it's a PhD data scientist at IBM. So obviously it is going to be a big edge for you guys if you will enroll yourself. You can check the ratings and you can check the reviews, and you can check how many people are already enrolled in this course. Okay. So about course, as you can see, kickstart your learning of Python for data science as well as programming in general with this many beginners friendly instructions to Python. So basically it's a start. It will take you from beginners. If you don't know about anything about Python, then don't worry, it's for beginners, and then it will give you the complete details and guides that you can be an expert. Okay, so as you can see, it's shareable, it's flexible deadline, 100% online, and the level of course is beginners and approximately 19 hours to complete, and it's in English language. And what you will learn, you will build your first program in Python. You will learn about Python fundamentals, Python data structures, and working with data in Python, and become familiar with key Python concepts, functions, objects, and classes, and gain career skills in one of the world's most popular programming language. Skills you will gain: data science, Python programming, data analysis, pandas, and NumPy. Okay, so there are fakes. It's basically frequently asked questions, and a lot of questions have been already answered. If you have any question, please first check here, and let's check the syllabus. So in week 1 you will learn Python basics. Week 2 you will learn Python data structures. It will take you 3 hours to complete. And in week 3 Python programming fundamentals, and so on. You can check yourself about this reviews. Check the reviews before enrolling yourself in any course. So that's all for Python Coursera. So I personally prefer to learn any course from this Coursera website. I have already achieved a lot of courses from Coursera, and it's basically one of my favorite websites. And next is Learn Python for Data Science and Machine Learning from Bootcamp. That is basically Udemy, and it is pretty costly. It's actually $120 almost, and obviously it will give you 10 days, 1 week freely. But in this course you will learn how to use these libraries of Python, and what you will learn, it's a complete and very long list. And in this you are not only learning about the basics of Python and the need of Python, and along with this you are going to learn neural network, k-means clustering, linear regression, and support vector machines, and a lot of other things as well. And this course includes its most important. Please go through this as well. 25 hours on demand videos, 13 articles, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, and access on mobile and TV, and obviously certification. And let's see who's the instructor. Okay, so see, they have already they have mentioned course content as well. The most important thing in this course, you are going to know about the Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is basically a notebook where you can practice your Python commands, and this is also important. Obviously, if they are taking you the money, they will provide you the best resources. So it is created by Jose Portela. You can click here to check about him. Okay, so the next is Learn Python by the Hard Way. It is also one of the best websites, and what you have to do is basically see, they have give you each and everything in the form of list and in the form of exercises, starting from basics to the variable initialization, and if-else statements, and then loops, and conditional operators and other operators, and then you are going to build a complete project. So see inheritance versus composition. Let's see what they have included in their website, in their exercises. Quite useful. Third one is Code Academy. Okay, so it's also one of the best websites. As you can see, it's all about Python. Pro means professionals. Next one is the Hitchhiker's Guides to Python. See, getting started with Python. Basically, they started install Python on your system, then using virtual with Python development environment. That is, first they are going to give you the idea about text editors, IDE, interpreters, and then you are going to write code in Pythons by using everything basics to. Then scenario guide for Python application. Obviously it's going to be different types of applications here, like HTML scraping, command line application, GUI application, databases, networking, system administration, and a lot of others. Quite useful content. And last but not the least is data scientist with Python. It will introduction to the Python, intermediate to Python, 4 hours. It is basically different courses they are offering. The first course is introduction to Python, the second one is intermediate to Python, third one is investigate networks, movies, and guest stars in the office, fourth one data manipulation with pandas, and so on. Okay, so you can enroll yourself in any of these websites to start learning for free. So it will give you the big edge in your future. So I would prefer that you guys should pick a course, Python course, and stick with it. Don't get caught in taking multiple courses. After you take the course, start implementing what you have learned as soon as possible, and don't debate with which language is better, Python or R. Basically, to be very honest with you guys, it doesn't matter for your career. So the resources listed above will help you get started no matter what stage of you are in learning. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up and share it with your friends if you really feel that it's resourceful for you. Take care, bye bye.